Hello and welcome. My name is Kathy A. and I have finally received this. This is Groundhog Day. It's February 2nd. It took forever to get this box. Now I just filmed this and there was no sound. So I have to do it over and you're not going to get my natural reactions. Well, maybe I can mix them in. I think you'll get the general idea. This is the XL Lucky Bag from Beautylish, and every year they want to clean their shelves of stuff that doesn't sell very well and stuff they need to make room for. Maybe they're discontinuing some items. Maybe there was an overstock. So they kind of adopted the Japanese tradition, which is a huge Lunar New Year thing. The Japanese like to have, the merchants like to make what they call lucky bags, in which they put a lot of mystery items into a bag and they charge you a certain amount of money for it, but the value of that bag is at least twice what you paid. So with Beautylish, it's kind of like a Powerball lottery ticket for makeup. You don't know what you're going to get when you buy your ticket. This was all ordered on December 26th. I was quite excited. It's my first year getting the XL bag, and so I just want to go through this. I'm going to try and be objective because I have just seen what I got in this box and I'm sorry, you're going to kind of miss out what I reacted. So paper is adorable. I'm not going to read the card because everybody who does these reads the card. I think it's really cute, the C shape. Minnesota artist did the paper, really cool. There's like eyelash curler, there's face masks, there's handbags, there's eyeshadow palettes, perfume sprays, people drinking, somebody looking in a mirror, somebody wearing a face mask. Really, really cute. Really cute. I really like the paper, and it's a compact, just very, very clever, very clever. Done in the format of like a Japanese art type of thing. So I'll try to pull them out in the order I got them originally. These are towel scrunchies for your mangy hair or something. There's something in here about that, your hair. I did not want to get these. I don't use stuff like this. It's like Dollar Tree. To me, this is Dollar Tree. This screams Dollar Tree. So this is the towel scrunchies from the Kitsch brand. And I'm sure they're trying to empty their warehouse of those. I cannot imagine people lining up for those. Second item, of course, is a Good Molecules item. Exactly the same as last year's Good Molecules item. Still underneath my bathroom sink, not opened or used. I don't like to get skincare in any kind of box because I'm my own system, and if I'm starting a new skincare routine, I want to pick the products. To me, this is a personal thing, and I think that not everything can work on everybody. I was hoping for the rose water cleansing gel if I had to get one of these Good Molecule things. At least I didn't get the Holly Frog thing as well. Some people got both. So this is the Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. They do, to be fair, they do put all of the ingredients and their percentages on the side of the box, so you do see exactly what you're getting, which is nice. I think it's a very economically priced skincare item for what you get. And I think that, you know, to their credit, they do have a good skincare line, and skincare is a really important part of beauty. So yeah, it is a beauty lucky bag kind of thing, but I just think skincare is too personal, and as an older person, there's certain particular things that I want for skincare that's not in here. Danessa Myricks, and this is the Infinite Chrome Flakes in the color Starburst. I will never in this lifetime wear this. Some people would be thrilled with it and they own several of them. I do not. When I tried to open it, it burst on me, so I'm just going to take a little smidgen of it and just let you see the glittery joy it brings. Yep. Very pretty, very unique. If I was younger, probably would like it. It really doesn't go well with me. And it's not my style at all. So I'll be diplomatic there and just say that this is not something. And I love and admire Danessa Myrick. She is an amazing lady. I have used some of her skincare products. I think Stanko. She's a YouTuber with a last name of Stanko. She's an assistant to a dermatologist. She always was talking about Danessa Myrick. So I tried the concealer, and the foundation has a little window in it. And she has some really nice products, but I guess she didn't sell many of these because a lot of people got these in their lucky bags. So I will be having, speaking of, I will be having a giveaway this weekend. I think I'm going to put some of these things in a giveaway along with a few other things. And this is a Sonia G brush. Those of you who have known me for a while know that I'm a little bit into cruelty-free makeup. And Squirrel hair brush is not cruelty-free. I don't know, if you think about it, it's like, do you think they're like holding a walnut under a tree and going, Chippy, come on down, time for your haircut. Let's take a little off the edge. Okay, thank you, here's your walnut. And they let him scurry on up, back up the tree. If you knew what they did to those squirrels to get the squirrel hair to make these brushes, you wouldn't want to use them. And I don't want to use them. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway, and somebody who really wants it is welcome to have it. I was kind of hoping on the Units face brush. The Units bright orange handles, I can see them easily and I go, oh, that's the Unit brush I can use for my powder, and pull it out, and it's synthetic fibers, and I was all excited, and I did not get the Units face set. Next item, the Wayne Goss, and this is Natural Berry, the lip liner. I do like Wayne Goss products, and I like Wayne Goss a lot. He's a very age-friendly person, although he calls it anti-aging. I like his attitude. He helps women who have a lot of texture and, you know, the problems of aging when we have a little bit more sunken eyes, hooded eyes, discolorations, a lot of texture where, you know, when you put concealer underneath, you can wind up with cracks and crevices and things. He's very, very good at teaching people of a certain age to put makeup on, and I'm indebted to him in many ways because he's helped me a great deal. I do like this lip liner in the Natural Berry. I like sort of boring functional colors, and this is boring functional color. Really good. Also, I got and they do pair them together, I think, fairly well. Whoever packed my box, which is under the Golden Gate arches here, this person, I can't read their initials. It's something AB or something, I don't know, or TB. Yeah. This is the walnut shade of Wayne Goss lipstick, and I think it goes quite nicely. I actually am wearing it right now because I put it on in the last video I just recorded with no sound. It goes nicely with the lip liner that's presented here. So I'm really pleased with the Wayne Goss lip and the lip liner. I think it's a very creamy formula. It's not good for under a mask. I would powder over it before wearing a mask, and that would help a little bit, but I do like those two products from Wayne Goss. I did love this. This is Viseart in Lilas. I love Viseart. I have a lot of Viseart palettes. And some of these smaller ones I've received in earlier Lucky Bags, actually. I really like their little curated colors here that they have, and I do like their standard palettes as well. This one is very nice, very cool tone neutral. You've got silvery, bronzy silver, you've got a mauvey color, and you've got a really nice matte neutral brown shade you can use in your crease really nicely. Viseart shadows blend so well, and they just look so beautiful on. And even a bright color will look elegant on because of the way it shears out, the way the pigments are. They don't have cheap fillers in their eyeshadows. I really love Viseart shadows, and I'm very pleased with this palette very much. I wouldn't have normally picked this color combination out, but I definitely will try a look with it, and I love them. I do. This was a little surprise because I hadn't seen this in anybody's Lucky Bag. It's the Ambient Lighting Palette from Hourglass. I thought it was going to be that Natasha Denona bronzing palette when I first saw it, and it's like, this is Hourglass. However, this is not the light fish belly white girl one. This is the one for deeper skin tones. So this is a double-edged sword. I think I can wear it. I do have a little bit too much blush on today because I did in my last video that I just recorded with no sound. I just put on the dark shades. Now there's a bronzer here. The lighter bronzer I can use. Both of these blushes are actually quite pretty. Let me just see. This one is more of a magenta pink, and then we've got more of a warm pink, warm medium pink. So I can wear that, I think, and then mute it down. I could probably wear the magenta one, but you know, it has to be very, very light touch here. This is the finishing powder. I think this would look beautiful on a medium to dark skin tone. This bronzer and highlight, I think these two would look beautiful on darker skin tones as well. I do think that this is the deeper skin tone version, and with the XL bag we couldn't indicate whether we wanted the lighter skin or the darker skin. So I was, you know, if I was somebody that had deeper skin, I'd be absolutely thrilled. I love Hourglass. I mean, I do have their powders, and I love their veil powders. I have, like, this is the mini veil powder, and I have the blush here, I think in Mood. Yeah, this is one of their blushes that I have. I do like Hourglass a lot. I like their Confession lipsticks. I like the mineral veil that they have, the beautiful primer that they have. So Hourglass is a great brand. I don't want to seem ungrateful here. I'm just thinking that, well, the color shades are a little bit deep for my skin tone. So, darn. But I hadn't seen that in anybody's palette. So, and speaking of palettes, I was pretty darn well hoping for the Hin Dash. Everybody and their uncle, even the smaller bag people got the Hin Dash. So I'm like, oh, I can't wait to try that Hin Dash out. But what do I get? I get Natasha Denona Triochrome. Not a fan. Not a fan. There is no protective covering on this. People commented on that. It was like, why is there no sheet here for protection? There usually should be. Is this like a fake? Anyway. This is the Triochrome. I do see some shades in here that I can find useful. I did swatch this one. Let me see. Let me swatch this one. Yeah, I actually don't like this effect where, you know, it goes one color into an, I just don't. I don't. I'm going to be 64 years old this month, and some of these colors just don't work for me. I'll look like a heroin addict with some of these things. So this is probably going to go into a giveaway, believe it or not. I'm so disappointed. I really wanted Hin Dash. Really, I love him. And Timmy died. Did you know that his little dog Timmy died? Anyway, yeah, this is nice, very nice. And I know a lot of people love Natasha Denona palettes. I'm just not a fan of this. So, okay, so that was my XL Lucky Bag. Would you like this bag if you got it? I certainly am not real happy. And I don't think I would get another XL bag because of this. I think a lot of folks that have YouTube channels like I do, I've been doing mine since 2013, and you know, we collect a lot of makeup and try a lot of makeup, and I actually did have a light version of that ambient lighting palette a couple years ago. I don't have it anymore. So I wouldn't have selected some of these items. You know, I like the Viseart and the Wayne Goss. I'm wearing the Wayne Goss lipstick. Yeah, I'm disappointed. Yep, I have to say. So, Lucky Bag 2022, bit the dust. Not for me. Not for me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm actually normally semi-entertaining. And I hope you have a wonderful week and have a beautiful day. Take care. Toodles.